Good morning, friends. In the previous lecture, we were solving the sums from exercise 8.2. Let us continue. The fourth question that I am having here is sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree whole divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Now, again, friends, here we are having the question related to the trigonometric ratios for some specific values, and we need to apply the values. Here we are having 6 different ratios, 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So I think you might have memorized the table that we have seen in the previous lecture. Let us put down the values quickly so that here I get sin 30, that is 1 by 2, plus tan 45 is 1, minus cosec 60, that is 2 by root 3. Is it clear? Whole divided by sec 30. So what is sec 30? That is again 2 by root 3 plus cos 60, that is 1 upon 2 plus 1. Right? So we get these all values. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1, cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Sec 30 is again 2 by root 3, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cot 45 is 1. Let us simplify. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to take the LCM in the numerator and in the denominator, but we will take it differently. So in the numerator, the LCM is 2 root 3, right? In the numerator, the LCM is 2 root 3 because here in the denominator of 1, we are not having anything. Here, there is nothing here in the denominator of 1. So, we will take that as 1. So, that becomes 2 root 3. That is the numerator I am writing. In the next step, that means here we are going to write down the denominator. So, here 2 root 3, that goes for root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. Is it clear or not? How? Let us see. Here, what is absent? The LCM is 2 root 3. We are having 2 already. So here we are not having root 3. So we will multiply root 3 there. Here there is nothing present in the denominator. So we will multiply whole of the term 2 root 3 here. And here root 3 is already present. What is not there? 2. So we will multiply 2. But 2 into 2, that becomes 4. Is it clear? So that is how the LCM goes. Whole divided by, again, here the LCM is 2 root 3. So here what we are going to do? The same step that we have performed here. Here there is root 3 in the denominator. What is not there? 2. Again 2 is already there. So we will write down 2 into 2, 4. Plus here that will become root 3 because 2 is already present. And here nothing is present. So we shall write down 2 root 3. Is it clear? So that is the single step. After this we are going to write down this step. 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 are cancelled. So what is remaining here? Let us see. Root 3 plus 2 root 3, that becomes 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3, that is again 3 root 3. Right? So 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by 4 plus 3 root 3, that is the final simplification. Now we are going to rationalize the denominator. So to rationalize the denominator, what we can do? First of all, what we are going to do is, we are going to rearrange the terms. That is 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4. So here, in place of 4 plus 3 root 3, I am writing 3 root 3 plus 4. Right? That doesn't make any sense because if I write 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, the answer is same and that becomes 3. So 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. Now to rationalize the denominator, what we are going to do is, we are going to multiply the rationalized factor of the denominator in numerator and denominator. So rationalized factor of this, that is 3 root 3 minus 4. The rationalizing factor 3 root 3 minus 4, and that is multiplied in numerator and denominator both, and that is equals to, in the numerator we are having the same terms, 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square whole divided by a minus b into a plus b. So that is a square minus b square. Okay, that is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, which is equals to, here a minus b whole square, the formula of a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2 ab plus b square whole divided by 3 root 3 square. So what is 3 root 3 square? 3 into 3 9. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, and 9 into 3 is 27 minus 4 square is 16. Okay, that is equals to, again 3 root 3 square, that is 27 minus 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 24 root 3 plus 16 whole divided by 11, and finally we get the answer 27 plus 16, that is 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. So the evaluation, the answer to the given question is 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. So sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon this is equals to 43 minus 24 root 3 whole divided by 11. Or you can also write 1 upon 11 into 43 minus 24 root 3. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, take a look. So let us solve the next question here. The fifth one. The question is 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree whole divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. You need to evaluate this question. So again we shall put the values here. Cos 60. What is cos 60? As I said, how will this be interpreted? Cos 60 whole square, sec 30 whole square, tan 45 whole square. So I am not going to write down that step again. 5 into cos 60, that is 1 by 2 whole square, plus 4 into sec 30, that is 2 by root 3 whole square, minus tan 45 is 1 whole square whole divided by sin 30 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so we have put down all the values here. Cos 60, sec 30, tan 45, sin 30 and cos 30. Let us simplify. So that is 5 into 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4, plus 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square. So that is 2 square is 4 divided by 3, sorry, root 3 square is 3. So that is 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 square, that is again 1. So I am not going to write down that square again, minus 1 whole divided by 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 upon 4, plus root 3 by 2 whole square, that is 3 by 4. So that is the simplification, which is equals to 5 into 1 by 4, that is 5 by 4, plus 4 into 4, 16 upon 3 minus 1 whole divided by 1 plus 3 upon 4. As the denominator is common here, we can add up the numerator, so that is 1 plus 3 upon 4. So let us take the LCM in the numerator. What will be the LCM here? 12, right? That LCM in the numerator is 12. So let us see that here 3 is not there because 4 into 3 is 12, right? Here there is only 4 present. 4 into 3 is 12. So in the numerator also 5 into 3, 15 plus. Again in the second term there is only 3 in the denominator. So we will need to multiply 4 there. 3 into 4 is 12. So 16 into 4. What is 16 into 4? 64. So that is 64 minus 12 into 1, 12 whole divided by 4 upon 4, because that is 1 plus 3, 4 divided by 4. So this 4 and 4 is cancelled, which gives me 15 plus 64, that is 79. 79 minus 12, that is 67, and hence the answer is 67 upon 12. Okay, that was the shortest one in this kind of question with the numerator and denominator format. The shortest evaluation of this one. Okay, so take a look over it and then we shall move on to the MCQs. Good? Okay. Now, under the main question number 2, choose the correct option and justify your choice. The first one, that is 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Okay, you need to check out the answer. Which of the following answers are correct? There are 4 options given. You might have the textbook, so you can clearly see over there. Let us solve this. What is the value of tan 30? 1 upon root 3. Okay, good. So that is 2 into 1 upon root 3 whole divided by 1 plus, 1 plus 1 by root 3 square. Okay, so simplifying this, we get 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, that gives me again 2 by root 3 whole divided by 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 whole divided by 3, which is equals to 2 by root 3 whole divided by 4 upon 3. So let us simplify this. How we are going to simplify is 2 by root 3 multiplied by 3 by 4. This 3 will be multiplied here to 2 and this root 3 will be multiplied here to 4. So you can now easily cancel out 2 and 4 by 2, and this root 3 and 3 can be cancelled out by root 3. So that is equals to root 3 by 2. But if you see here in the options, we are not having the answer like root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 or anything like that. We are having the answer in some ratio. So let us check out that what ratio leads us to the answer root 3 by 2. So sin 60. Sin 60. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2 obviously, which is equals to sin 60 degree. You can check out for the remaining answers also. Right? This was the first option and that is the correct answer. Cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. And the fourth option is sin 30. Sin 30 is again 1 by 2. So your answer is sin 60. Option A. Okay. So that is how the simplification works. So you need to verify your answer like this. You will not get particular answer, but you will get a ratio. The answer in the form of a ratio. Okay. Let us see the second one here itself. That is 1 minus tan square 45 degree upon 1 plus tan square 45 degree. And you need to again find out the answer like in the form of a ratio, or there are two numerals also given. So that is 1 minus tan 45 is 1. So you need to replace the value in both the places as 1. Wherever you see tan 45, that is equals to 1. So that is equals to 1 minus 1 square is 1 upon 1 plus 1 square is again 1, which is equals to 0 upon 2, and that is 0. And I think you have an answer like 0, which is option D. So the answer here is option D, 0. Okay? Is it clear or not? Okay. Now, the third one. Sin 2a. The question is sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a is true when a equals to dash. You are having the options. Let me write down the options: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and option D, 60 degree. You need to check that for which of the following angles, for which of the following values is sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a true. You can randomly select any of them and use the trial and error method. Trial and error method, that means select any of the alternative, replace it in the given question. If that both satisfies, then that will be your answer. So we shall find out first of all, see how to check this. Friends, whenever these questions are asked in MCQ, you are not going to perform any solution there. But I am performing the solution here for you because you know how to find out the values. First of all, let a equals to, we shall start from that D option, 60 degree. So what will be sin 2a? That is sin, 2 into 60, that is equals to sin 120 degree, and we don't know the value of 120 degree. So obviously right now this option has failed. Sin 120 degree we don't know at this moment. Yes or no? Yes, we don't know that what is sine 120 degree. So how will we say that it is equal to sine 60? No, that is not equal. Then let A equals to 45 degree. So here we get LHS or sine 2A, that is sine 2 into 45, which is equals to sine 90 degree, and sine 90 is 1, and we shall find out 2 sine A, that is 2 sine A, which is 2 sine 45 degree, 2 into 1 by sine 45 is 1 by root 2, so 2 into 1 by root 2, which is equals to only root 2. So you can check that is 1 and root 2 equal? No, this 1 and root 2 are not equal. So obviously sine 2A and sine A are also not equal. So 45 degree has also failed. You can similarly check out for 30 also, but now let A equals to 0 degree. So first of all we will find out sine 2A, which is equals to sine 2 into 0. What is sine 2 into 0? Sine 0, and sine 0 is 0. And again 2 sine A, which is 2 sine 0, which is 2 into 0, is equals to 0. So sine 2A, for A equals to 0 degree, sine 2A is 0 and 2 sine A is also 0, which are equal. Hence, for A equals to 0 degree, sine 2A equals to 2 sine A, and this is your correct answer. Right? For A equals to 0 degree, sine 2A equals to 2 sine A, and hence option A is the correct answer. Okay? So you might note this down. And the fourth MCQ, that is same as that of the first one, just a minor sign difference here, which you are going to solve it by yourself. So question number 4, MCQ number 4 is to be done in homework. Okay? The third one, main question number 3. If tan A plus B is equals to root 3 and tan A minus B is equals to 1 by root 3 for 0 less than A plus B less than or equals to 90 degree and A greater than B. Right? Find A and B. Again, as we have seen the similar kind of example previously, that is same one. In the previous example we had sine and cos. Now we are having tan and cot. Tan A plus B is equals to root 3 and tan A minus B is equals to 1 upon root 3. Where A plus B lies in between 0 and 90. That means the value of A plus B is in between 0 degree and 90 degree, and the value of A is greater than the value of B. So let us start the solution. Here given that 10 a plus b is equals to root 3. Therefore, 10a plus b is equals to tan 60 degree. Right, because the value of root 3 from the trigonometric table is tan 60, because we require only the function with tan here. So we are selecting tan 60 degree. We can also select cot 30 degree also. But we don't need cot because we are having tan here. So we will select the value, the ratio which is having tan here. So tan a plus b is seen and root 3 is now replaced by tan 60. As we seen in the previous lecture by the Desi method, tan and tan cancelled. Therefore, a plus b is equals to 60 degree. That is your first equation. And also given that tan a minus b is equals to 1 by root 3. So again, therefore, tan a minus b is equals to tan 30 degree. Therefore, tan and tan cancelled. A minus b is equals to 30 degree, which gives me the second equation. So we got two equations. The first one we got is a plus b is equals to 60 degree, and the second one we got is a minus b is equals to 30 degree. Right, now simply what we are going to do is add equation 1 and equation 2. So that is a plus b plus a minus b is equals to 60 plus 30. We have added both of these equations. A plus b plus a minus b is equals to 60 plus 30 plus b minus b cancelled. Therefore, a plus a 2a is equals to 60 plus 30, which is equals to 90. Therefore, 2 and 90 is again cancelled by 45, and hence a is equals to 45 degrees. Okay, so we got our first value, a is equals to 45 degrees. Now, therefore, from equation 1 we get 45 plus b is equals to 60 degree, and hence b is equals to 60 degree minus 45 degree. Therefore, b is equals to 15 degrees. Okay, b is equals to 15 degrees. So let us see the answers. A plus b is 60 degree, which lies in between 0 and 90. So this is verified. The second condition was a greater than b. So the value of a we got here is 45 degree. The value of b we got here is 15 degree, which is again verified. So both of the conditions are verified, and hence the answers we got, a is equals to 45 degree and b equals to 15 degree, are the correct answer. Okay, take a look. Now, in the next part, they are true or false. Let us see the first one. Sine a plus b is equals to sine a plus sine b. Is the statement true or false? So let us verify by taking some example. How? If I take let A is equals to 30 and B is equals to 60. Right? So if I take A equals to 30 degree and B equals to 60 degree, put it here. So LHS we get will be sine 30 plus 60, which is equals to sine 90 degree, which is equals to 1. Right? So we got the LHS here, that is equals to 1, and RHS, that is sine 30 degree plus sine 60 degree, which is equals to sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 plus sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Add this both, what we get? 1 plus root 3 by 2. So we got the RHS as 1 plus root 3 by 2. LHS we got is as 1. Are those both equal? They are not equal. Right? So if the statement does not fall off for this one, then it will not fall off for anyone else. Yes or no? Will this fall off for anyone else or not? Check it out by yourself. No, it won't fall off for anyone else, and hence the answer is false. So the answer here is false. Okay? Look at the second one. The statement, the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Now for that, you might look at the table, the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Now you might look at the table for only the row of sine, and here you will be having 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Right? You might look at this table here. આપણે આટલું જ ટેબલ જોવાનું છે અત્યારે. જોઈએ sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2 or 0.5. Right? Sin 45, that is 1 by root 2 or 0.707. Then that is root 3 by 2, that is 1.73 and 0.9 approximately. Right? 0.9 or 0.85 approximately, and sin 90 is 1. So as theta increases, this is the value of theta. Angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the values of theta. So as theta increases, that means as the theta moves from 0 to 90, the value of sin theta also increases from 0 to 1. Yes or no? At sin 0 degree it was 0. Sin 90 degree it has become 1. So the value of sin theta increased when the value of theta also increased. So according to this table, we can say that the statement written above, the second statement, is true. Did you understand the concept or not? Yes or no? See, again I am explaining that this 0 degree, 30 degree up to 90 degree, these are all the values of theta, and below written values are all the values of sin theta at those respective angles. So at theta equals to 0 degree, the value of sin is 0, and at theta equals to 90 degree, the value of sine has become 1. In between these, the values differ from 0, 0.5, 0.707, 0.85 approximately, and then 1. Okay. So as the value of sine theta increases, as the value of sine theta increases, as the value of theta also increases. Right? So that is the understanding for this question. The second one. Let us see third one. Again, the statement is similar, but the ratio differs. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Again, let me make you understand. Now what we shall look for? Theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And now we shall look for only the row of cos theta or cos. We shall look for the row of cos. So cos 0 is 1, cos 30 that is root 3 by 2 or 0.85 approx. Then cos 45 is 1 by root 2 that is 0.707. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 that is 0.5 and cos 90 is 0. So you can clearly see the difference that I have explained in the previous question and that I have written here in this question. As the value of theta increases, the value of cos theta decreases here from 1 to 0. Cos 0 was 1 and cos 90 degree has become 0. So the value of cos theta decreases as the value of theta increases. So the answer to this question here, the third one, is false. Yes or no? Okay. So that's it for the third one. The fourth one. It says sine theta is equals to cos theta for all values of theta. Is this thing true? No. Yes or no? No. Again, from the table, for theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Let us look both now, sine and cos. So sine 0, sine 0 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2 and sine 91. For the cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. So for all values of theta, that means for all of these values 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, are sine theta equals to cos theta? No, they are not equal, but only for one of the values they are equal, and that is 45. So only for theta equals to 45, sine theta and cos theta are equal, else they are not equal. So the difference that creates here is this one, for all values of theta, all. That is the main difference creates, right? So the answer here will be false. Okay, is this thing clear? Okay, so that's it for the fourth one. And fifth one, you can directly see it from the table that cot A is not defined for A equals to 0 degree. So is cot A not defined for A equals to 0 degree? For that you need to memorize the table of 0 degree. 0 degree, that means you need to remember the column of 0 degree. So let us quickly see. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0, cot 0 is not defined, sec 0 is 1 and cosec 0 is not defined. So as we see in this table, cot 0 was not defined. So cot A, the value of cot A is not defined if I put down A equals to 0 degree, right? And hence the answer is true. Okay, so that's it about the true or false, and with this true or false we complete our second exercise, that is exercise number 8.2. Okay, so that's it about the exercise. Now in the next topic, friends, we are going to study about the trigonometric ratios for the complementary angles, and that is a very shortest topic of this chapter and very interesting topic. Okay, thank you, friends.